Let's walk through how you record a vidcast. Start by opening Vidcast inside the WebEx app. In the top right, click New Video, then choose Video Message. By default, your camera and microphone are on, but you're in control. You can record yourself. Just your screen. Both at the same time. Notice yourself in the bottom corner? Or even just audio. If you're sharing your screen, you'll choose between sharing a specific window or your entire screen. Pick what fits your situation. Before you start, you can choose your microphone from the available options. You can also switch between camera options and add a virtual background, or simply blur your background for a cleaner look. When you're ready, hit record. You'll see a quick countdown, then you're live. Once you're done, click stop or finish. Now you'll see a preview of your video. This is your chance to review everything. Make sure it looks and sounds right. You can trim the beginning or end, add a title, and make quick edits before sharing. When everything looks good, select Yes. You'll then see your sharing options. Once you're finished, click Done. That's it. Quick, flexible, and no meeting required. Thank you for watching.